Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be doing another project pan, but this one is going to be focusing on cream and liquid products only. So this is the Partners in Cream 2022 introduction. So if you want to know what products I picked for this project, definitely continue watching. Also, if you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe. I upload 3 times a week, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays. Definitely subscribe so you don't miss out, and let's just go ahead and jump right in. This project again is cream or liquid products only, 3 to 6 products, no powders. The original creators are Delin from Outward Processing and also Steph Lyons here on YouTube. I'll link both of the girls down below, and then also there is a playlist so you can check us all out and check out our progress. You can search the hashtag Partners in Cream 2022 or check my description box to check out all the ladies that are doing this project. So I did pick out 4 products for this project, and once I finish off a product, we will roll another product out. I do want to give myself a gimme product. This one is about done, I think, less than halfway for sure. This is my e.l.f. Beautifully Bare Luminous Matte Primer. I will put a picture of this, but you can see through it, like even now, not even in lighting. I definitely have a lot of air in here, and I feel like there's only product like on the sidewalls as well. So I said, let me start off the project with a gimme product and throw in a easy product to use up, hopefully. This is one of the oldest primers in my collection. One of the older primers in my collection. And I just want to get some use out of it, get it done, get it out of my collection, and yeah, be done with it. So my goal is going to be to finish this off. Another product that I've worked on before and never finished it off is my Jeffree Star Cosmetics Thickest Thieves. It's I don't know what it's called, but it's in the shade Thickest Thieves. This is all I have left. I've been working on this for the longest time. I didn't even work on it last year. I worked on it the year before, but it's really pigmented, so a little bit goes a long way, and I just feel like I need to finish this off and get it out of my collection. Still smells like root beer, and it's gonna be my goal to finish this off. To think of it, I was thinking about using this as a cream blush, and I did put in a cream blush, so we'll see, but at least they're like the shades are different. I'm gonna roll in this cream blush by MAC in the shade So Natural. It's a glow play blush. My goal is to finish this off, so we'll see. It's like a peachy color, and then the lipstick I've used as cream blush as well, and that's more of a pinky color. So at least they're different kind of colors to wear as cream blush, you know what I mean? So I actually wanted to pick like a mini, but some of the minis don't even have a little bit of product. Like it had as much as this one that's a full size. So I decided to put this in here. Hopefully I do pretty well. I think my first goal is going to be just to hit pan. My ultimate goal is going to be to use it up. And then lastly, I believe this product was in this project a couple years ago. I don't think it's not last year, but it was in 2020. And I'm going to bring this back, you guys. Who remembers this product? Let me know. Put one of those emojis that it's like raising their hand if you remember me working on this. I think I used it a handful of times last year, and this time I'm like, I think it's time to bring it back. At least finish half of what's left. It took me the whole year to just hit pan. So this is the Chanel Soleil Tan de Chanel Cream Bronzer. This is the old version. I know they came out with a new version. They say it's different. I don't know. But this is where I left off. I'll have to look at the piece of paper, but I think I had like 200 and something uses to just get where I'm at now. My first goal is going to be to use up half of the product. So we'll see how long that takes me. Ultimately, I want to use it all up, but again, my first goal, or maybe it'll be, should I do like the round where you see like, that might be like separating, that it's starting to dry up, or should I do like half of the product? I don't know. Let me know what you think I should do, and then I'll base my result or decision off of what you guys recommend I should do. Or if you guys think I should do something else, then let me know. But yeah, I think I'm definitely going to be tallying it up like I did last time. I still have the little sticky notes from all of my tallies that I used it. It's kind of crazy. So it's back. Is this like deja vu? Not really. I don't know if that's the correct word, but who remembers me using this up and panning it in this project? So it's super crazy. But yeah, those are the 4 products that I'm rolling into this project. Again, definitely check out Delin and Steph. They will be linked down below, as well as all the ladies that are doing this project. And I believe that is all. This is my intro. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do any project pans, let me know so I can go ahead and check them out. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye!